Hi guys, welcome to Tactim channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to stream on Twitch using OBS 2024. So firstly, let's go to this OBS first. Now simply go to the settings, click on settings, and you'll find here stream. The second option, click on stream, and then you can see here the service. Twitch is already default. If you don't find Twitch, you have to click on this drop down menu and search the Twitch. Select Twitch and you can see here connect account, which is recommended. You have to click on connect account. Then you will find this kind of page. You have to write here your username of Twitch and you have to give the password of Twitch password. After that, you have to click on OK. After click on OK, after click on login, sorry, not OK, you have to click on login. After click on login, you have to minimize this page and go to the here. You have to click on this plus icon. This plus icon, you can see here, right, the cursor. Click on plus icon and you'll find here game capture. Click on game capture and then you can click on OK. Now make sure you are choosing this one, capture any full screen application. Okay, now you can choose from here anything like allow transparency and click on, or you can choose defaults. Now click on OK. Now again click on this plus icon and you'll find here display capture. Click on display capture and choose OK. Full display, it will be captured like this. If you want to change the monitor, you can change it by here. Sorry, you cannot change it. This is default. You have to use this default. OK. Capture method is automatic. Now click on OK. Now after all doing this, you have to click on start recording and start playing your game. It will be automatically stream on Twitch. Okay, so this is how you can do this, guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.